Hey there you guys, it is me, RandomJosh, and I'm back again with another face mask Friday. And today, as you can probably tell, we are doing a makeup tutorial. So yeah, this is inspired by Valentine's Day. It's not the best tutorial in the world, but yeah. We're mainly focusing on the eyes, and I tried to do a bit of a half cut crease. Just like playing around with some different colours and with some of my new palettes. So yeah, this is the finished product. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then stay tuned. So, as you can probably see, I have already got a face full of makeup on. I wanted to start off really with just a nice base to work with. So it's just moisturiser, primer, my foundation, and then some contour, and then I've just gone in with some bronzer just to deepen up the contours there. So that's pretty much all I've done so far, but we're gonna just really jump into, you know, the eyes, because that is the main part of this tutorial. So fingers crossed it goes well. So yes. Alrighty there, guys. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope that this tutorial has been helpful, fun, weird as always, I don't know. I just hope that you've enjoyed this. And yeah, I will leave full links for all products used down below. And yes, if you do recreate a look similar, I'm sure most of you at home can do 120 times better than this look. So please feel free to, you know, go along with it and recreate the look, but just amp it up and show me what you've got. But anyway, you guys, again, thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, give a thumbs up and comment down below if you did also enjoy it. And if you have any other just general feedback, or you just fancy a chat, I'm always down in the comments. Anywho, I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, bitches.